when the word starts with A, E, I, O, U, so what you will put? An. Aradhya, you there? Aradhya, when the word starts with the vowel, Aradhya, when the word starts with the vowel A, E, I, O, U, then you will use A or you will use N. Tell me.
A-E-I-O-U.
Yes. See, when the word starts with A, E, I, O, U, then you will use N. Okay? Okay, Aradhya? Yes.
And.
You will use N when any word starts with A, E, I, O, U. Okay? See here, I'll show you. Like this is here orange. So you will use A or N.
Orange. It's for home.
You will put A or N. Yes, Aradhya. Orange starts with O. Orange is starting with O. So O is a vowel or not?
Bubble.
So when it is a vowel, then you will use A or N.
O-E-I-O-U.
You will use N, right? Because it is starting with O. Okay, Aradhya? When the word starts with vowel, then you will use N. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Varnika, what you will write with pencil? A pencil, because it is a consonant, right? Because
Yes.
P is a consonant. Then Nidashna, next is envelope. Envelope. You will use A or N. Nidashna, Nidashna, you will use A or N. Yes. You will use A or you will use N with envelope. This one. Tell me. Yes, you will use N. Okay. Then next Akshat. This is a rabbit. You will use A or N. Because it is starting with R. Okay. Then next is apple. Aradhya, what you will use with apple? And because it is starting with A. Okay.
Yes.
Varnika, you will use A or N with house.
A house.
A house. Very good. So now you all understood, right? Okay, I will read the sentence. Varnika, you read this. First one, first sentence. First sentence you read, Varnika. Yes, Varnika.
Tomorrow I am going to a party.
Yes. Tomorrow I am going to a party. Humpty Dumpty was, Akshat, this one?
Humpty Dumpty was on the wall.
Was, what will come here? A or an?
And because it's egg and is starting with E.
Yes. I always have, what will come here? Nidarshana,
Ma'am?
what will come here? I always have, an umbrella in my bag in case it rains. The dog was on,
A.
yes. Varnika, what will come here? You can make,
A house of snow which is called an igloo. In this sentence,
why it will be a
and
igloo? Why it will be a igloo, Varnika?
an igloo. I have to
Yes.
say
So you said an a igloo. This is wrong. It will
No.
be an igloo.
I said only an.
No. First you said a. Okay. Now start reading, Varnika. Read again.
Tomorrow I am going to a party.
Next.
Humpty Dumpty was an egg.
Next.
I always have an umbrella in my bag in case it rains.
This one.
The dog was on a lead.
Next one.
You can make a house out of snow, which is called an igloo.
Yes. So now you all understood, Akshat? It will be a party. It will be, this one will be, Akshat?
This one will be an egg.
And this one will be,
An umbrella.
this one.
A dog.
A lead. This is a lead. A lead. This one. What is this word?
House out of snow.
So what you will use? A or an with house? House.
A house.
And this one?
It will start with an.
An igloo. Yes.
My shoe.
Okay, this is a party, an egg, an umbrella, a lead, a house, an igloo. Okay. Varnika, which sounds correct? It was a unique painting or it was an unique painting? Which sounds correct? Which one? First or
It
second?
was an unique painting.
Okay, Akshat, you tell me.
It
Varnika
was
is saying it was an unique
unique
painting.
painting.
Yes?
First line. It was a unique painting.
Okay. Nidarshana, you tell me. Which one is correct? It was a unique painting or it was an unique painting?
Ma'am, and unique painting.
Okay, Aradhya, which one is correct? It was a unique painting or it was an unique painting?
And
Okay, so I will tell you here. Varnika, Radhya, everybody is saying an unique painting. Only Akshat and Riya are correct. Other people are wrong. Whoever said it was an unique painting are wrong. It was a unique painting. Understood?
it starts with U. U is a vowel.
Yes. See, the trick here is in unique, the sound of ya is coming, right? Ya, unique. So the sound of Y is coming. Okay? Okay, Varnika, Aradhya, Akshat. The sound of Y is coming and Y is consonant. That is why we use a with unique. Understood?
U.
Unique.
U.
Yeah. What is the sound of Y? Yeah. So we are using unique. The sound of ya is coming. Understood, Varnika? Yes, Varnika, Aradhya.
Yes.
For example, what you will use with R? An or a? R. Akshat, you will use A or an with R. Yes, Riya, you also.
O. O.
Yes, Aradhya. Akshat, with R you will use a or an.
O.
No. See, with R you will not use a, you will use an. You know why? Because the sound of R starts with a, right? We are saying R, right? Though this is we are writing it as har, but we are speaking it as R, right? And A is a vowel. That is why we will use an. Understood? Varnika, Akshat, Nidarshana. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
Yes. Same way in unique, we are using ya. We are using ya sound. So we will use a because ya is a consonant. And in R we will use an. Understood, Riya? Why we will use? Because we are using a sound. And a is a vowel. Right? A is a vowel. Understood or not? Everyone? Akshay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand. Yes, I understand.
Okay? If we will say har to HOUR, then it will become a consonant. But we are saying R and A is vowel. A-E-I-O-U. So A is a sound of a vowel. That is why we are using and with R. Understood? No confusion? Nidarshana, no confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good.
And when I read a story,
Today I am teaching you grammar.
today will not.
See, although unique starts with a vowel U, the letter U makes the Y sound. It is written here, okay? You can read this, Varnika, if you want to. Read this. What is written? Although
Unique starts with a vowel, the letter U makes the Y sound. So
yes,
A is used instead of an.
yes. So A is used instead of an. Okay?
Okay. Because unique is a new word for me.
Yes. So because it is starting with a Y sound, that's why we are using A. And A is used instead of an. Understood? Like it was a honest mistake or it was an honest mistake. Now you all can tell. Come on, Varnika. Which sentence is right? Yes,
It was
Riya.
a honest mistake.
It is honest or honest?
Honest.
Then which one is
It
right?
was an honest mistake.
Okay, Akshat, which one is right?
Honest.
Okay, Nidashna, which one is right? Honest or an honest? Okay. Aradhya, which one is right? A honest or an honest? Yes, Aradhya. I can't hear. Unmute. I don't know what you are saying, beta. You are not unmuting. Unmute. Yes, Ria. Which one? Honest and honest. Why honest? Whoever is saying honest is wrong. Because honest, we are not saying honest. We are saying honest. So the sound of O is coming, right? What is the sound of O? O. So we are saying honest. Are we saying honest? Are we saying honest? No, we are not saying honest. That is why it will be an. We will use an. Because we use an with a vowel and we are saying honest. So in O comes. And O is a vowel or consonant? It is a vowel, right? It is a vowel. That is why we will use an honest. Understood? Understood, kids?
Yes,
Okay. Tomorrow, like on Monday, we will practice more. You all were thinking that A and an is very simple, right? It is not simple with few words.